We have always discussed that watches are no longer just for telling time. Some have different complications or functions, like perpetual calendars or chronographs, all related to time. Obviously, that's the purpose of a watch, right? But what if a watch had a special ability that had nothing to do with time? Let me introduce you to the Azimuth King Casino, a completely different watch from anything else in the world of horology. From a distance, the watch looks like a block of steel with an oversized crown and a difficult to read dial. However, as you get closer, things start to make a bit more sense. The name of this watch is the King Casino, and it's no secret that it has a roulette wheel inside its dial. Even though the watch looks bulky and industrial, it is extremely fun and different. At this point in life, having so many watches and seeing a big rotation of inventory, seeing something different is almost like breathing fresh air. Maybe this watch isn't as refined, slim, or polished as others from different brands, but having something unique and functional like this roulette is really special. This watch shows us that not all watches are made just for telling time, and this is a perfect example. Whether you bought it because you enjoy gambling, love going to Las Vegas, or someone gifted it to you because they know you're into betting, I believe this watch has something completely unique and special. It becomes an interactive watch, and there are very few watches that have this ability. I mean, sometimes chronographs can be interactive because you, as the user, activate, deactivate, and reset them. Those buttons give you a certain connection with the watch because you can control some aspects of it. And the same goes for diving watches. That's why I like feeling and turning and hearing the bezel, how it sounds and how it feels when you turn it. It has a very interactive action that also reflects the watch's quality, but it's something you can move, control, and feel, giving you a level of interaction within the watch. Another example could be the Mat 1, where although you don't physically touch the watch, the rotating rotor also becomes interactive. However, as I said, all of these watches and their interactivity relate to time, the chronograph, the bezel, or the automatic system rotor. In contrast, this Azimuth is extremely interactive but on a whole different level. With this huge crown, when you press it, it activates the roulette, which is mechanically incredible to have such a system on your wrist. It becomes interactive because you can play with the watch. It can help you decide whether to bet on black or red and let fate decide. You could even play with your friends and family betting between you, or if you're bored, just play with this watch yourself. It becomes a conversation starter because I can guarantee that no one else will have a watch like this. There will always be a conversation around it since it's interesting and different. Moreover, it has the potential to be a vehicle for memories. If you have little cousins or nephews, they will surely be amazed by playing with the roulette watch and betting. But it's also a watch that not only you will enjoy, but the people around you will enjoy too, because it offers that potential. It's not just a machine that tells time. It's a game, an experience, memories. That's what I love about this watch. It's different, it's interactive. It catches attention with its design. Not because it's flashy, but because it works. And you can use it with a purpose. This is a type of watch I like. But what do you think?